Today we're programming a new transmission control module on this 2017 GMC Yukon. Only 88,000 miles and it's already getting a transmission. This is key on, engine off. First, we make sure power is stable. A battery maintainer keeps voltage steady through the whole process. We connect a positive lead to the battery post. This gives us a clean, uninterrupted power supply. Ground goes here on the engine bracket. It's perfect for a maintainer, but not safe for a jump box. With everything connected, time to switch it on. This is the MDI2, our interface between the vehicle and the laptop. We throw it on the floorboard and get to work. Now we plug into the DLC, the standard OBD2 port, and then USB to laptop. Wired is always more reliable for flashing. We manually latch the door to stop dings and turn off interior lights. Key goes into the cup holder. Now we hold the ignition, but it won't turn on. No park, no gear display. Just this message, shift to park. Now for the hard part, getting Techline Connect to actually launch. You've got to sit through the updates. Once it finally opens, we connect to the vehicle. 2017 GMC Yukon Summit White. It launches SPS2. We select replace and reprogram, and then choose the transmission control module. But before we can flash it, it wants to know the transmission's RPO code. We need to confirm if this is an 8-speed or a 6-speed. So we head over to the AC Delco TDS site, click resources, and then VIN/RPO info, and run the VIN. Control F and transmission shows us our code is MYC. That means it's got a 6L80 6-speed. Back in SPS2, we select the without M5U option because that matches our MYC 6-speed. The current calibration, unrecognized. Time to load the correct files. It shows us what's installed and what's about to be written. Always double check this before hitting the button. Blue progress bar starts crawling across the screen. Everything loads without a hitch. The TCM is now flashed and ready. And here's our proof, GM's programming warranty card. This confirms it went through without errors. Now we check all data to make sure we follow GM's post-programming steps exactly. We're looking for the K71 procedure. K71 says to program the TCM, then reset the transmission adaptive pressure values. If we skip this step, shift quality may suffer. Before resetting anything, we scan the entire vehicle for faults. We want a clean slate across every module. Next, we go into the transmission control module on the scan tool. Select Special Functions, then Adaptive Pressure Reset. This clears out the old learned data, so the new TCM can start fresh. No harsh shifts, no guessing, just smooth relearning from the first drive. Now we hold the ignition switch, and this time it works. Everything powers up, dash comes to life. Final mileage, 88,821. No faults, no warnings. Transmission's in, programmed. Park indicator is red, and this thing is ready to go. This is Key on, Engine Off. Subscribe for more real-world diagnostics and module programming.